Hello, fellow travelers. Washington, D.C. isn't just a city, it's a living museum. It's a place where history comes alive and where every corner whispers tales of the past. Today, we're going on a walking adventure to explore some of its most iconic landmarks. Get ready to be amazed. Imagine walking the same paths as presidents and feeling the weight of history with each step. You'll see grand monuments, powerful buildings, and serene memorials. Each stop will give us a glimpse into the heart of American democracy. Our journey will take us through time, from the birth of a nation to its continued evolution. So put on your walking shoes, grab your camera, and let's dive into the heart of Washington, D.C. Our adventure starts at the most famous address in America, 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue, home to the President of the United States. The White House stands tall and proud, a symbol of American leadership for over 2 centuries. Can you picture all the important decisions made within those walls? Imagine the world leaders who have walked through its doors. It's a place of power, history, and even a touch of mystery. Did you know that the White House wasn't always white? It was originally painted grey. During the War of 1812, the British set fire to the building. It was then painted white to cover the burn marks. Let's take a moment to appreciate its beauty and significance before we continue our walk. Our next stop will bring us face to face with one of America's most revered presidents. A short walk from the White House brings us to the Lincoln Memorial. This majestic monument honors Abraham Lincoln, the 16th president who led the nation through the Civil War. As you approach, notice the imposing figure of Lincoln, seated as if deep in thought. Take a moment to read the inscriptions on the walls. They contain some of Lincoln's most powerful words, including the Gettysburg Address. His message of unity and equality still resonates today. The Lincoln Memorial isn't just a monument, it's a place for reflection. It's a place where people from all walks of life come to remember Lincoln's legacy and to be inspired by his vision. As we leave this inspiring place, let's carry Lincoln's message of hope and unity with us. Our journey now takes us to the heart of American democracy, Capitol Hill. Section 4, Power and History, Capitol Hill. Our walk continues to Capitol Hill, home to the United States Capitol building. This magnificent structure with its iconic dome is where Congress meets to make laws. It's a symbol of American democracy in action. Look closely and you'll notice intricate details in the architecture. Each sculpture, column and carving tells a story about America's past. It's a true masterpiece. Did you know that the Capitol building has been expanded several times throughout its history? The dome we see today wasn't part of the original design. It was added later and is actually made of cast iron. As we gaze upon this symbol of American governance, let's appreciate the enduring power of democracy. Our next stop will take us to the heart of the National Mall. Section 5, Monuments and Memories, the National Mall. We now find ourselves on the National Mall, a vast green expanse dotted with monuments and memorials. This is a place to reflect on America's past and celebrate its heroes. Look to the east and you'll see the Washington Monument, a towering obelisk honoring George Washington, the nation's first president. To the west stands the World War II Memorial, a poignant tribute to the sacrifices of the greatest generation. As we stroll along the reflecting pool, take a moment to appreciate the tranquility of this space. It's a place of remembrance, reflection, and hope. Each monument and memorial tells a story, reminding us of the events and people that have shaped this nation. Section 6. A walk to remember. As our walking tour comes to an end, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey we've taken. We've walked in the footsteps of presidents, reflected at memorials, and stood in awe of architectural wonders. Washington, D.C. is more than just a city, it's a living testament to the American spirit. It's a place where history, culture, and politics intertwine, creating an experience that is both educational and inspiring. I hope this walking tour has left you with a deeper appreciation for the heart of American democracy. Until next time, happy travels!